Good job. Good job. I think we should probably do that a lot more. I think you're doing really good. That's it. You're doing full length. Oh, wow. You're doing great. You're giving me hope. You're giving me hope. There, go. Flip. Up. Calm down. All right. Good girl. Yep. Yep. Over here. All right. All right. Go down. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, I'm gonna need more treats, huh? You're kicking, you're knocking this out of the park. Down the ramp. Pay attention to what you're doing. Go easy. Go easy. Good girl. Slow down. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. We're gonna have to figure out a way to raise this up. It's not bad, that's hard. This is going good. Come in. We'll take it. It's not even 5 minutes in. You're gonna lost. Okay, rip. Rip. Watch where you're going. Good girl. Need more treats. Hang on. You treated me out. Hang on. Okay. Let's see if we can get you to stop halfway and sit down the run. See what you got out. Okay? Ready? Okay. Ramp. Come on, ramp. Ramp. No, that's okay. There you go. The ramp. Sit. Sit. Kind of like not quite on it. Ramp. Ramp. Good. There you go. Wow. Guess I better figure out a way to raise that up a little bit. Make it a little more challenging. Okay, so now I put a, I don't know, maybe a 10, 12-inch milk crate at the other end. We'll see if we can get her to go up that. You're doing really good. You're doing amazing. Man, I'm feeling pretty encouraged by this, Liberty Dog. Wanna try and go up again? Go up again. Okay. Okay, that was nice. It'd been nice you stayed all the way up. 103. On the back end. Go. Go easy. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Okay. Be nice. Good girl. Wow. Liberty Dog. So, she's completely exceeding my expectations on this. I kind of thought I'd have to like have it on the ground for a day or two. To kind of get her comfortable with it, and I know she's food motivated, but the point is that she's seemingly comfortable with it already, and it is bouncing a little bit. I can see that and I can hear it. You know, I'm trying to make sure that all 4 of her paws are staying on for the most part. But she's doing really good. I got to figure out how to raise this thing up a little more, I guess, because she's killing it. All right, here we go. Okay, so I found a sawhorse and I put it on there. The only issue I see with this is we went from ground level up to 8 to 10 inches maybe on the milk crate. This is at least 3 times higher off the ground. And we're also going up a hill. That part of the yard has got a nice hill, which is why I started there. There would be some kind of an incline to start with. So even on the ground, it was still a little bit of a slope. So, I mean, it's still got a ways to go to get to its full height, but I don't know if she'll be able to handle this one or not. This is asking a lot, so. Liberty, you want to try this? Want to try this? Up the ramp. Good girl. Come on, come on. Oh. Oh. You got this. Come on, you got this. Let's go. Let's go. No, Liberty, come on. Liberty. Right here. See that? There it is. Right here. Okay, come on. Come on. Here's one here. Here's one here. Can't have those yet. Come on. Okay, here's one here. Here's one right here, Liberty. Here's one right here. Here's one here. And here's one right here. Oh, almost. Okay, Liberty, come on. Okay, come on. Come on. There you go, girl. Okay. You know, I think I'm not going to push her any more than that. I don't want to become a bad chore. What a first day. Wow. I'm gonna take that. So now I'm gonna drop it down, and because I don't want that being out there unsupervised, so I'm gonna drop that down, take it apart. But you know, I'm feeling pretty encouraged. Pretty encouraged. So there it is, day one of Liberty Dog on the DIY ladder ramp. What do you think, Liberty? You think? So far, so good. Liberty, are you digging it? Are you digging it? Let's get a POV. Let's get a POV. Come on over here. Over here, Liberty. Over here. There you go. Come on. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Wow, no treats too. All right. Holy cow. This is freaking awesome. I think we're gonna, okay, I don't want to say it and jinx myself, but I think we're gonna get this. I think Liberty Dog is gonna get it, huh? What do you think, girl? What you think? Yeah. Okay. Liberty Dogs. Yes. Center. Center. That's a good girl. Good girl. Okay, like I say, that's an impressive. That was with no treats. Well, I'm not gonna ruin that run. That's asking a lot of a young dog, so she'll get there. I'm thinking she's actually gonna do this. Anyway, so there it is. I have the video on the DIY ladder ramp just uploaded today, and this was Liberty's first training session, and wow. So look, if this thing works and anybody needs measurements or anything like that, let me know. And if you think this is something that might work for you, and you know, I can't say definitively like, oh yeah, we've been using it for a while. I'm not saying that. You're living this with me, and so I think watching the process of how she's trained to do this can help. And you know, and even if it doesn't work for my dog, it might work for yours. So this is Dana Price at Hammer Dog Productions. Experience nature. God love dogs.